Hello friends, welcome to the new Specs War video. In this video, we are going to compare 2025 Toyota RAV4 and 2025 Kia Sportage. Both are SUVs from different companies and we will compare them technically to see which car is better to others. So let's start the comparison. If we compare engine specifications of Toyota RAV4, then it comes with the engine of 2.5 liters 4 cylinders with the horsepower of 203 and the torque of 184 pound-feet. It comes with electronically controlled continuously variable transmission and it features all-wheel drive system. On the other side, Kia Sportage comes with the engine of 1.6 liters 4 cylinders with the horsepower of 227 and the torque of 258 pound-feet. It comes with automatic transmission CVT and comes in both FWD and AWD. It is clear from the comparison that Toyota RAV4 has better engine than Kia Sportage, so the point goes to 2025 Toyota RAV4. If we talk about weight and capacity, then both these cars come with the seating capacity of 5 persons. The cargo volume of Toyota RAV4 is 37.5 cubic feet and of Sportage is 39.5 cubic feet. Toyota RAV4 has cargo weight of 3,640 pounds and of Kia Sportage is 3,576 pounds. Both of them come with the fuel tank capacity of 14 gallons. Because of almost same weight and capacity, no any car will be given the point. If you talk about fuel efficiency, then Toyota RAV4 comes with a fuel efficiency of 30 miles per gallon, but Kia Sportage comes with high fuel efficiency of 43 miles per gallon. So the point goes to 2025 Kia Sportage. If we talk about dimension, the 2025 Toyota RAV4 measures 180.9 inches in length, 73 inches in width, and 67 inches in height. It offers a ground clearance of 8 inches and a wheelbase of 105 inches. On the other side, Kia Sportage comes with a length of 183.5 inches, width of 73.4 inches and the height of 65.4 inches. It has a ground clearance of 7.1 inches with a wheelbase of 108.5 inches. So we can see that there is not much difference to give the point to any cars. No any car will be given the point. Both the cars have almost same safety features like blind spot collision warning, smart cruise control, downhill brake control, anti-load system, OS system. Both the cars come with 8 safety airbags. Because of same safety features, no any car will be given the point. The price of Toyota RAV4 is $38,555 US, while Kia Sportage comes with the price of $28,790 US. We can see that both the cars earn 1 point. So we will decide with price which is lower of Kia Sportage with high fuel efficiency. So because of lower price, crown of this Specs War goes to 2025 Kia Sportage. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel for this type of more car comparison videos. Thank you.